Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 9, and today I will show you how to insert SIM into the device. So before we get started, you will need something like a SIM eject tool. They usually come with the phone. And if you can find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. It should work well enough. And once you have it ready, you can just push out the tray, which is located on the left side of the device. So you do that, and you'll see it kind of like pop out a tiny bit, and then you can just pull out the rest of it. So from here, you can see that it has slots for 2 different SIMs or SIM cards, and basically put them kind of opposite. The first tray, which is the closer one to the edge, the SIM goes with the cutout on the bottom right corner like this. So the cutout is right here, and the second tray kind of just flips the card a tiny bit, and the cutout is on a top left corner, so right here, as you can see. And once you have it placed in there, make sure it's laying there flush as it is right here. And then you can just, while holding it secure, slide it back in and unlock the device, assuming my fingerprint will work. Oh, come on. There we go. And from here you can see that it's kind of working with the card. We go into the settings, and you can see there it is. That's the second SIM. So it's working, and that's basically how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.